Welcome back, everybody. I was just moving wires out of the way to prepare for our structural improvements to the loft floor here, and noticed another reason that it's a good thing we took this ceiling down. This wire goes to that bookcase floor receptacle up there, that one we haven't fished the supply to yet. And we never would have been able to do that by pulling the original wire. There's some incredibly helpful individual has got it run through the block for the kitchen light here and wedged there right between the light and the block, bent over at a sharp angle and thoroughly trapped. Well, there's all that stuff out of the way, and a new wire in place for the kitchen lights going down to the switch there, and with these stapled up, and another one here running over to the bookcase receptacle. And we've got these things ready to make our structural improvements next time. We are making room to install our new framing here. We've got to carefully remove this J channel and the mesh here. This would be a little easier if they had assembled this place in a traditional order. As you can see, they put up interior walls after the ceiling was done. So we got this trim piece stuck under here. And I've cut the nails already, but it's still a very tight fit. Oh, it's wiggling now. Come on. Found another nail.
Oh, great.
It's clearly going to come out. There. Yeah. Well, that was already...
Got a nail or two over here.
Do it this way. There. Wait. Yeah, we can pull those out. Okay. Yeah, that's why there's finish nails sticking out over here. They already ripped that out and put it back with finish nails.
16s.
Well, they put this back with the finish nails. That's what I was wondering why there were two finish nails sticking out over here. Looks like there are some small bolts into the dome on the piece on the right here. but not on the left.
The sparks, they were a-flying.
There went another blade. And here goes a beam. In theory.
Here, up.
Yeah.
Well, they're back just right there.
Right there. Okay. Looks like we're going to have to
Snug and flush.
pry this up into place some, so I'm going to put it here temporarily. We'll go fasten the other end first. That's just enough to hang there. So we get the other end secure and then pry the slight dip out of the floor.
Okay.
Alright, now Ed can relax.
There it was like,
Alright, and now the straightening. Well, you're beyond now.
a little past it.
Yeah.
It's like still way back there. It's way off.
Huh. Well, what can you do about that? From here, I mean, we don't want to.
No, we'll
Don't wanna be
we're
way
gonna
out
have
of
to
line here.
jack that.
Yeah.
But this, it'll hang here, and then it's going to be good from here to
Yeah.
the
Well,
exterior.
and this one, the double is about
How's that?
an eighth lower than that. Well, that's good right there. I guess that's a fair compromise. Okay, and it's even there. And we'll continue in that fashion tomorrow. And we'll make steel brackets for the ends of these things. Obviously there has to be a header up here. It'll be made of the same material. Time for another LVL. After a slight modification. So I've been welding again. Made this socket for our header. And now to paint it. Meanwhile, Ed's got the ventilation all carefully dismantled. Well, it's not mangled at all.
No, it's not. It's a little rusty on the backside and really dirty on the front. But it'll go right back up in exactly the same position because we took the time to spray white paint on that so that the edge has a very crisp edge to show exactly how that goes back on, and all of these drywall beads.
And so we're ready to do a similar structural thing over here.